How to edit SIM card name and icon on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Connections. After click on Connections, click on SIM Manager. After click on SIM Manager, click on SIM and you will see edit name and icon. If you want to edit SIM card name and icon, click on edit name and icon, so you will change icon from here. So after change icon, and if you want to change SIM name, so you will change SIM name from here. And click on done. You will see SIM name and icon is changed. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can edit SIM card and name and icon on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.